Let's play this uplifting groove with some percussive elements. My name is Sunni Holden, and thank you for joining my tutorial. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because it really helps me bring you more content that will inspire you. I'm using an Ayasa instrument in the key of D Kurd. If you have a different scale, it will just sound a little bit different. Let's dive in. We are going to start off by striking note 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with our right hand finger. Then, note 4 with our left hand thumb. And then we are going to play note 6 with our right hand thumb. And 6 again with our left hand finger. Let's play this again. Great job! Now we are going to add a crack or a slap with our right hand. And a crack is where you play with this part of your knuckle on any of these fingers. And a slap is when you just slap with any of your fingers. Crack, slap. Let's add this. And now we are going to play note 4 with our left hand thumb again. Let's just slow this down one more time. Great job! Now we are going to add a strike of note 6 with our right hand thumb. And one more time on note 6 with our left hand finger. And now we just need to repeat it twice. Great job. Let's do this one more time. Well done. Now we are going to do the exact same thing with tone fields 3, 5 and 7. Let's slow that down a little bit. Again for tone fields 1, 3 and 5. And once more for tone fields 2, 4 and 6. Let's add all this together and play it and repeat it starting from the first arpeggio, being tone fields 4, 6 and 8. Let's do it. Again. Let's do a quick recap in regards to tone fields. We start off with tone fields 4, 6, 8. Moving to tone fields 3, 5, 7, then 1, 3, 5, and then one more time for tone fields 2, 4, and 6. Let's speed this up just a little bit to add a vibe. We have come to the final stage of this pattern, and that is to add a fill. Now how we are going to do this is we are going to just play the first round of the last arpeggio, not the second. And then we're just playing a scale from tone fields 1 to 7. Let's do this again. And then we just repeat the pattern from there. Let's do it. everybody. I really hope this helps you on your handpan journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.